Hello, my name is George Merida, and my partner's name is Roman Richard. Our senior project is the design of an alternative scheduling system for the construction site usage of the tower crane and man lift. Our technical advisor is Karen Bangs, and our administrative advisor is Daniel Waldorf. In this video, we will be introducing our project, talking about our problem statement, the background of the project that includes our literature review, our design approach, the deliverables we expect of ourselves for both this quarter and next quarter. WebCore Builders is currently experiencing inefficiencies in the usage of their man-lift tower cranes for their commercial high-rise construction sites. For the tower crane, these inefficiencies are defined as instances where the tower crane is scheduled to deliver a material and is delayed or not delivered at all, as well as instances when it is necessary for materials to be delivered when not specifically scheduled or planned. The ideal situation for the use of the man lift is to deliver labor workers with the necessary material and equipment once at the beginning of a work shift to the levels that they are needed at, and once at the end of the shift for labor workers that are clocking out for the day. Any occurrence of the man lift being used in between those time periods is considered inefficient use of the man lift. It is our task to identify any possible cause of waste that is creating inefficiencies in the use of the tower crane and man lift. It should be clarified what equipment we are referring to. The tower crane is used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. It is mainly used for lifting heavy things and transporting them to other places. The man lift is, in essence, an industrial elevator that acts as a vertical transportation system used to deliver labor, equipment, and materials. It should also be made clear that WebCore has two main branches that work independently of each other. Their standard standalone contracting branch, which is most commonly referred to as WebCore Builders, and WebCore Concrete Group, which we are working with. The WebCore Concrete subcontracts their concrete pouring work out to primary contractors. Oftentimes, multiple subcontractors are working on a project, and some of the major equipment is shared. In this case of our project, WebCore owns the tower crane, and the main contractor owns the man lifts.
In summary, through our literature review, we are in the process of developing an alternative design for WebCore's system of scheduling for the tower crane and man lift. Our literature review is divided into sources that elaborate on the current systems used for the scheduling of the tower crane and man lift, and industrial engineering methods applied to the construction process. At the moment, the current scheduling system for the tower crane is very simple. WebCore uses an Excel spreadsheet. Our alternative would include a priority system with a more formal standard operation procedure for scheduling. As far as our design approach goes, we plan on defining the specifications, requirements, and constraints as expressed by WebCore, as well as derived from our own personal observations and data collection. After that, we plan on analyzing our gathered literature reviews to see if a similar problem has been encountered and solved to that of WebCore's. Lastly, we're going to procure a concept for a design based on the literature reviews and our own conclusions. Our deliverables for this project include our time studies and data collected via random sampling for both the tower crane and man lift operations, the design solution that we create, and the simulations that produce measurable results based on our design. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.